Filipino restaurant food. Not restaurant, Filipino food. Diba? Filipino food. There's a Chinese, a pizza. Because I don't eat Filipino food. We want to eat immediately. We don't cook. We don't like cook. We may not eat.
Crunchy bite, chicken skin.
Chicken skin. This is not a baboy, this is not a pork, but this is chicken. Okay.
Silog-silog.
Silog-silog. Here's silog-silog.
Ow! Just kidding, guys. Wasn't that cute?
This is also a part of the Filipino food. Okay.